Alright, welcome back din ng Mini Mage PH. So, ayan, second game natin for today. So, kababalik ko lang din ng Brawl, Historic Brawl. I think Historic Brawl or Brawl, I'm not sure. Let me know sa comment. I think Brawl lang. Wala nang Historic Brawl. Or my Standard Brawl pala. Okay, so there you go. So, we're playing Jury again. Ito yung favorite deck ko sa Brawl. And ito lang yung pinaka-decent ko kasi na deck. So, I think we'll keep a hand. So, may mga fetch lands tayo. Which is good. Alright, so we'll keep this. May removal din tayo. And then we have some curve going on here. Alright, and then we'll play against Nashi. Alright. I don't know kung anong ginagawa ni Nashi, but I'll read it. Mag-fetch lang muna tayo. Ayun, so kayo guys, kamusta? Do you play Brawl? What do you play in Arena? So, it's been a while I haven't played sa Arena kasi I've been playing EDH tsaka I've been doing a lot sa side lately. Uy, Sotsis pa nga. Alright, when Nashi enters, secretly choose a card in your graveyard and conjure a duplicate of it in your hand. If the duplicate isn't a land, it perpetually gains flash. Alright, sounds good to me. Sige, we'll have 2 combat lang. Alright, so we'll cast Takinuma and then play this Reckless Pyro Surfer. Alright, so kailangan natin lang naman, madali lang naman. We need to put some pressure kasi I think he needs to. Yun lang, lakas na removal nito. Nowhere to run. Alright, so we'll cast Jury and then Arid Mesa. Okay. Uy, he quits! Nag-quit siya. Ba't siya nag-quit? Aw, sad. Pero happy ako, syempre, panalo tayo. Ayun, so, yun lang. This was a very short video. I'm not sure. But, what do you play on Arena? Do you play Brawl? Sinong commander mo? And how long have you been playing Arena? Do you also, what other format do you play sa Arena? At anong format nilalaro mo outside Arena or online? And again, if you want to talk about Magic the Gathering, trading card games, or you just want to hang around with me, talk about Magic and discuss anything about it or any other trading card game, baka naglalaro ka, please let me know kasi gusto ko rin matuto ng other card games in the future. And yun lang para sa akin for today. If you haven't watched my other videos, please do so. Maraming salamat and I hope you found value dito sa channel ko and the video for today. Thanks for watching and be someone by helping someone. Have a good day.